Today I'm going to be installing this racing windscreen on my Kawasaki Versys X300. So I went with this Puig, P-U-I-G, Puig, not really sure how you pronounce that, but anyway, I chose that one. It was on Amazon, and it's a little bit taller than the stock one. The reason I decided to go with a different windscreen, the stock windscreen does seem to do a fairly good job, but I have noticed there's a huge difference between riding sitting upright and riding slouched. And I find myself riding slouched a lot to avoid the wind. As soon as I sit upright, that wind just kind of tunnels to my helmet. I wear a helmet with a visor on it, so that catches even more wind. So I ordered this windscreen on Amazon. I'm gonna get that installed. Then over time, I'm going to kind of see how I like it, and then I'll do another video in the future on a review of how well it works. And you can tell it's a racing windscreen because it came with a sticker that says Racing Screens. Also, in case you're wondering, this little tank strap, this is kind of an experiment. I'll do a video about it later if I decide to stick with it. I ordered a tank bag that magnets to the tank that I'm going to try out, but I saw another video on YouTube where someone did this and it actually looked kind of a cool idea. I got my gloves in it right now. There will be a video in the future on what I end up doing with my tank storage solution. So our stock windscreen, I think it's a 5mm Allen. There she goes. I do really appreciate that this came with instructions. It's very, very nice. I like it. A lot of things you buy that are real simple like this don't come with instructions, because it's like, duh. But I don't know about you guys. Whenever I come across something that doesn't come with instructions, I have two thoughts in my head. One, it's probably cheap Chinese knockoff garbage. I don't know, that's just a perception I have. And the other one is, you'll probably end up running into something where you just want a little bit of clarification, and even instructions with just pictures would be helpful. So even if I don't use the instructions, it is nice when it comes with them. So that's saying something about the Puig brand. Okay, so here's the funny part. 11mm wrench. When was the last time you used an 11 on something? So this screen came with rubber grommets that you install. That's kind of cool. And then these little inserts that go inside the rubber grommets. And then, of course, a different size hex bolt than what you took off. That's a 3mm hex. Okay, so now I see why they're a different size hex. It's because it's got these cool little plastic caps to put over it to give it that finished look. I do like that. So here we are, it's installed. I actually am pretty happy with the build quality. It doesn't feel like something that you got on eBay at lowest price. It does feel fairly strong. I mean, I don't expect it to take, you know, a rock or something, but it feels good. It included good hardware. It included directions, so overall I would say as far as the quality of the product goes, it seems fine. So now I'm going to have to just take it out and ride it around a little bit and see what I think it did to the wind. Oh, one other thing I forgot to check. Make sure that the handlebars can still turn since I got bark busters on. Ooh, yes. It clears it by about a 1/4 inch maybe. That side clears a little bit better, but not bad. That makes me real happy because I was concerned about that. I had forgotten about that when I ordered the windscreen, and so I was kind of nervous about it. But yeah, so I have the handlebars pretty much in the stock position. I think when I first got the bike, I did move them back a little bit, but I mean, I haven't gotten any risers or anything like that. and it works. So I'm excited. I can't wait to go try it out. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, make sure you comment below.